boys and girls, I'm going to read you a story called Butterfly Life Cycle. It was written by Jeff Bauer. It gives us all the things that we're going to be learning about in the contents page. Chapter 1, all about butterflies. Look, it's a butterfly. This book will tell you about the lives of these beautiful bugs. Here's a monarch butterfly, ant, grasshopper, ladybug. Butterflies are insects. They have 6 legs just like ants, grasshoppers, and ladybugs. Butterfly parts. Here's the wings, as you guys know. Their eyes are actually right here. They have antenna, their body, and are we missing anything? I think that was it. Butterflies have 4 wings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Each wing is covered with thousands of tiny scales. The scales give butterfly wings their bright colors. They're so beautiful. The scales of wings look like this close up. Almost like a snake, right? A proboscis, can you say proboscis? Looks like this close up. Butterflies drink their meals through a thin tube called a proboscis, like a straw. Their favorite meal is nectar, which they suck up from flowers. There are 17,500 kinds of butterflies. How do you think the ones here got their names? This one's a tiger butterfly. The 89 butterfly. This one is an owl butterfly. Peacock, like our principal. Emerald butterfly. Zebra swallowtail. And glass wing. There's so many different kinds and they're so beautiful. Butterflies come in all different colors. Some have spots, some have stripes, some seem like they have painted wings. But butterflies do not begin their life looking this way. Let's take a peek at the life cycle of a monarch. That's the ones that we normally see around those orange ones, to see how they grow and change. Chapter 2, from egg to caterpillar. Some butterflies lay more than 1,000 eggs during their lives. A female monarch lays an egg on a leaf. The egg is tiny. One egg is about the size of the period at the end of a sentence. Newborn caterpillars look like this. After a few days, the egg hatches. Out wiggles a hungry caterpillar. First, the caterpillar eats its own eggshell. Then, it starts munching on leaves. Have you heard the very hungry caterpillar before? Kind of reminds me of that. Monarch caterpillars only eat milkweed plants. Crunch, crunch, crunch. The caterpillar keeps eating and growing and changing. It starts out small and white, but soon it becomes long and covered with colorful stripes. After about 2 weeks, the caterpillar takes a rest. It attaches to a twig or a leaf and hangs upside down. Something amazing about to happen. It says monarch caterpillars have 16 legs. Wow, here we go. Chrysalis to butterfly. Chapter 3. The caterpillar becomes a wrapped up package called a chrysalis. You might have heard pupa before. Inside the package, exciting changes are taking place. A chrysalis protects a caterpillar as it changes into a butterfly. The chrysalis turns from green to clear. Presto changeo, the caterpillar has become a butterfly. Look at that. Very cool. Guess what happens next? The butterfly breaks out of the chrysalis, then it unfolds its wings, which are soft and damp. Damp means wet. Monarchs flap their wings 5 to 12 times per second. That's a lot. The brand new butterfly waits in the sun for its wings to dry, then flutter, 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 away it flies. So beautiful. Have you seen them before? Life cycle review. One day, the female butterfly lays an egg on a leaf. In 4 days, the caterpillar hatches and grows and grows. In 2 weeks, the caterpillar becomes a chrysalis. In 1 month, the butterfly breaks out of its chrysalis and it becomes a gorgeous butterfly. Do you remember the 4 main steps? We just went over them. Egg, caterpillar, chrysalis, butterfly. The life cycle of a monarch butterfly lasts for up to 1 month. And the cycle goes over and over again. Then this butterfly will go and lay more eggs on a leaf. Chapter 4, all grown up. Monarchs travel in big groups called flocks. Have you heard of a flock before, like a flock of birds? In fall, monarch butterflies do what birds do. They fly south for the winter. This is called migration. Some monarchs go to California and some go to Mexico. Along the way, they rest in trees. Here's a map showing the animals the way that they travel. Some travel 3,000 miles. That's really far. Monarchs are poisonous to birds and other animals. Their bright wings say, "Don't eat me." In early spring, the monarchs fly back to the north. A female lays an egg on a leaf. Then the butterfly life cycle will begin all over again. Are you ready for some questions? Let's see how good you were listening. Can you name 3 parts of a butterfly? Eyes. Remember their eyes are here. Antenna. What are these? Wings and their body. Good. Can you share 3 facts about caterpillars? Tell somebody 3 facts about caterpillars. Can you retell the 4 main parts of a butterfly's life cycle? I have a song to help you remember it later. Can you think of 4 words to describe a butterfly? What words could you use to describe them? Okay, share your answers with an adult. Bye. Thanks for listening.